Welcome to OTM Transport. Hire mobile crane truck and transport services. We have a mixed fleet of trucks, including crane trucks, flatbed trucks, semi-trucks and semi-crane trucks ranging from 6 to 24-ton carrying capacity. Our mobile cranes have lifting capacities from 1 to 10 tons and crane extensions from 1 to 30 meters in length. We transport on crane machinery, steel, timber, signs, 20 and 40 containers, installation of traffic lights and general freight. All of our crane trucks and vehicles have certified lifting equipment to provide a safe working environment for everyone. For more details, visit our website and our social media channels.